I am ready to give them it.
Hi guys!
You like it?
So welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back.
You be bad person.
Guys, I never knew I was going to come up with this line ever again. Welcome back to my channel, really. So guys, this is a little bit more of a surprise. I've told a few people that, oh, I'm going to be coming back on YouTube this year, but I never knew it was going to be this fast. I don't want to come back on here and start telling you guys why I went away, all that happened, but as I move on to making content with you guys, I'll eventually tell you guys why I stopped YouTube and how I got inspiration to start again. And this time around, I pray I don't stop. I don't want to stop. This brings me to this line of, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and leave me comments. Let me know what videos you guys want to see and all of that. Share this video with you guys. Share this video with your friends. And yeah, let's get into a new tutorial. I'm starting off with this eyeshadow, and this is the Morphe 35B yellow. I just took it off the pan and I'm just going to be using that as the first color over my crease area. Brush I'm using is from T's Cosmetics.
This your love complete paradise. Baby, talk to me, I'm yours. Bella.
Oh my mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh mela.
So the next shade I'm going to be using is from this Decal palette, and guys, this palette is so pigmented, and I mean it. I'm going to be using this brown shade here.
Keep up, I can't keep up with boys that pop up and like to.
Next, I'm taking the maroon shade from the same palette, like a burgundy shade, and this shade here.
That's for my bango. Oh shit, baby, oh.
I'm just going to be blending it all together to avoid this harsh line you guys can see.
Melanin so sweet like fried rice. This your love complete paradise.
And cut my crease using the Edit Girl concealer in medium beige.
Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you bella bella bella. My heart go pam pam, deep pam pam, a deep pam pam. Oh mela mela mela, mela mela mela. My heart go pam pam, deep pam pam. Oh deep pam pam. Oh mela mela mela, mela mela mela. Melanin melanin.
I'm using a setting powder. This one is the air spoon. I'm just going to use it to set the concealer I applied. I'm going back in with a different shade but from the same palette, and I'm using this shade.
Girl, you bad, you be bad pass a chapu. Meiko, Odo yewe.
So right on my crease line, I'm going ahead and I'm going to be using this Chanlevy eyeliner. This is really good. I got it from New Song Cosmetics. New Song Cosmetics. She sent this to me, and this is really amazing, guys. She has really good products for really affordable prices.
Mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you.
And then I'm going to be fixing my lash from Zira Lashes. This is what it looks like. Lash glue I'm using is from Miracle Lashes, and this lash glue is one of my favorites.
Keep up, I can't keep up with boys that pop up and like to talk.
Guys, we're done with the eye now. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm using the ZK foundation in bronze. This is their number 7 in bronze. It's the darkest shade in their foundation range. This is how it looks all over my face. And then the shade beneath it, I'm going to be using that contour. Yeah. The beauty blender I'm using is Tease Cosmetics Beauty Blender, and I really love this beauty blender.
You bella bella bella, melanin mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you bella bella bella. My heart go pam pam, deep pam pam, a deep pam pam. Oh mela mela mela, mela mela mela. My heart go pam pam, deep pam pam, oh deep pam pam, oh mela mela mela, mela mela mela. Melanin melanin.
Is to contour using this dark shade from Blood Beauty. I've tried this foundation all over my face. As you guys can see how it looks, it's so red. It makes me look really funny. So I'm just going to try and contour with it today. So help me God, I don't mess up this whole look. Guys, did I ruin, like, in order to snatch my face and my nose, did I ruin my makeup? Okay, let's just do this. Let's try this on the cheekbone.
You be bad passe chapu Mexico Odo yewe Jolly beautiful, you be bossing my brain.
I'm using this beauty blender. So help me God, guys.
Give me your love, your love, your love. Give your love to me. Love to me. Shay be my queen. See this
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
my money. My money. Check. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you bella bella bella. Melanin mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela.
Guys, it does not look bad. I actually blended this thing out. Guys, now I'm going to go ahead and use this brush from Tease Cosmetics still, and then this powder is from Beat Height Cosmetics, and I love this. You guys can see I'm already heating the pan. I love this as my contour powder. I'm going to be setting the cream foundation I use.
Mela, 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 mela. I don't see a lot for my bango. Oh shit, baby, oh. Melanin so sweet like fried rice. This your love complete paradise. Baby, talk to me, I'm all yours.
Yeah! I almost forgot to do this. To highlight my under eyes, I'm going to be using this concealer by Nuban Beauty. I really like it.
Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you bella bella bella. Melanin mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella. Oh you bella bella bella. My heart go pam pam.
Using the same beauty blender I used, this is the same Tease Cosmetics beauty blender. I'm going to be blending out my concealer.
My heart go pam pam. Ti pam pam oh. Ti pam pam oh. Mela mela mela. Mela mela mela. Melanin melanin. Team salute.
Don't say, show my
be using this powder in a spoon to set my concealer. I love this powder, really good and affordable.
Look at me, baby. How is that? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come to my bedroom, 'cause I've a day for you. Are you okay? Are you okay? I want to use my money to scatter your brain for you. Permit me. Yeah, I love you. I want to use my to shift your womb. Oh, permit me.
Guys, this is a snatch face. I'm using this ZKL face powder palette. This is the new improved palette. I've not tried before, so let's see which shade goes for me, and if it's a little bit lighter, I use the noir to melanin it all. Is that even a word?
You like a sugar mommy. Oh my honey bunny. Baby, you with you, Gucci. Honey, baby, Lucy. You got it, Lord, you got it. Ekamoto, baby.
I'm going to be using this OA Cosmetics Makeup Fixing Spray with rose water all over my face. Can you even have enough?
She say, I
I'm using this lipstick from Tease Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 031. I think it's called Sugar Free. And let me show you how it looks.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
Zlatan.
Guys, I want to gloss it up more. I'm going back in with this lip gloss from Tease Cosmetics number 003. This video is not sponsored. I'm just trying out a lot of products I've been getting and products I've bought myself. Hence the reason why some brands are repetitive. I got some products from Tease and I decided to give them a try. Clearly, this lip gloss is a win because this is so pigmented. Because of how pigmented I feel this eyeshadow palette is, I'm going ahead and I'll be using this golden shade in my inner corner. I think this and this. Let's try that. Well guys, can you see that, guys? Well guys, I might have to just highlight with this palette. Are you guys even serious? Well done, ZKL. This palette is bomb. I'm using this blush palette from ZKL.
It is better than something you can do. We have just a penny to the fetch a coffee. Pile, mo wale de other on person. Oh yeah, ude. Pile, bona le wale. One more kule for wala mu mi shere. Oh yeah, hallelujah. Rapita le nu sebiti suya.
One thing about this palette is that it's really pigmented and it's really affordable.
Because I swear God, if I could kill them back. Melanin ba, deep ba, a deep ba.
guys, if you love this look, make sure you leave me your comments, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Tell me what other videos you guys would like to see. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.